Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Welcome back to my no. No bullshit, we are talking about crypto today. So, very interesting, you know, the latest bull run. No, you know, I personally expected it, okay? And let me show you what I am thinking about short term. Short to middle term, like 2-3 months, where we will be in crypto, okay? Again, you all know that I'm very bullish on Bitcoin in a long term, but let's see where I am in short term. I believe, like, I'm talking about 2-3 months. I'm talking about like April, May, you know, where I see crypto in April, May, and let's see why, okay? And I will be talking about Bitcoin, about Litecoin, why they correlated, and you know, what's going on. So, where we are today, okay? That's very interesting, right? So, we all know that, you know, this is a philosophy of market cycle, right? And we all know that, you know, it's all cycle, especially Bitcoin, because it's pure mathematics, you know. I have, you know, degree in mathematics, so I personally like this stuff. So, you know how it is, right? We came from hope, optimism, belief, euphoria, where we are now, okay? So what I'm thinking that last year we all was in this territory, right? Because after Bitcoin went to 70,000, it fell into anger, right? You know, panic, denial, we all passed this, okay? And for me, it's already set cycle, guys, okay? Not first, not second, it is set cycle. So I have tons of experience. I'm telling you, I just watching this and I'm smiling. I'm smiling because I know what to do. You know, first time I was like, I know nothing. Second time, I know something. Set time. I have this cycle set time already because I started looking to Bitcoin from 2015. Set time, I'm looking to this and I know what to do, okay? And so I'm sharing with you guys. You can take it, you cannot take it. It's like I'm not here, you know, to make your, you know, the business decision. I'm here for fun, just to share, you know, where I am. And I'm long term, guys. I'm long term for sure, okay, on proof of work coins, okay? So where we are, I think that this period, okay, was the last year, 2022, was always Bitcoin was going down, 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 right? If you see Bitcoin chart, this is where we are, okay? Let me mark it, okay? This whole era of Bitcoin was going down, right? I make you a vertical line, and you see from November 2021, okay? And now we are really past more than 1 year. Up to November 22, and even now, from November 22, it really started to fall. You know, it fell from something like 20,000 to 90,000 for last 2-3 months. So this time, the last 2-3 months, for me, it was a bottom. I'm going to prove it, okay? I'm going to prove it with chart. This was the bottom, and we passed the bottom, okay? For me, the worst situation behind us. And these talking heads, you know, they can take forever. Oh, Bitcoin to 3,000. I care shit what they say. Because I was in 3 cycles already, right? Okay. So why I think we are, you know, we are here, guys. Okay. Let me mark it green. Okay. We are here now, guys. Blue. We are here. Angel, we are in depression. Everyone depressed. Okay. Everyone disbelieve. And, you know, there are not many people who believe that crypto is going to be recovered, okay? Because like me, I was in first cycle. Most people in here in first cycle, not in second, not in third like me, okay? So most people like depression, disbelief, and, you know, very hard for, you know, to come back. Okay, so why is that? Okay, so first of all, you see the last 2-3 days Bitcoin just recovered, okay? And you know, many people look into, you know, FTX, you know, Terra, you know, this bullshit, you know. It doesn't matter, guys. It has effect, but the main effect is a cycle. Main effect is Bitcoin cycle, and let me prove it, because we all human. So here I put you from 2017, okay, the vertical marks here, and here you can see where we are in 2021, and you know, and let's see, you know, what's going on in my my view. So in 2017, you see where it was peak, like 20,000, when it was bottom, like 3,000. The timing between these two dates is 52 bars. Again, this is all approximately here, which is 364 days. Exactly 1 year between top and bottom. 1 year, 52 bars. What we have today, I am looking into, not into first one, okay, let me mark it first one, vertical line. This was the first one, right? I'm looking into second one, okay? The second one, when it was the second top, right? Maybe it was almost the same. The first one maybe was 69, the second one was maybe 65, but it doesn't matter. I'm looking from the second because it, you know, this time it was two tops. First time it was one top, almost one top. The second top was very, very close. But I'm looking to the second one. This one we end the bull market. And let me mark from here 1 year, you see, 51, 52 bars, okay? Somewhere in this $15,000, guys. The 1 year from second top to the bottom is 15,000 something, right? It was below 16,000. You know, it doesn't matter real numbers here because maybe Coinbase has different numbers. Around 15, 16K. Okay, 1 year the bottom. 1 year the bottom. Interesting, right? Interesting. You see, here we have top, here we have bottom. 1 year. Here we have top, second top. Here we have bottom. 1 year. Nice. So if I bet on this, okay. So let me see when Bitcoin start to recover. When was the first top, right? Because you see, Bitcoin will start to recover. It reached the top of this, kind of, bull market. And remember, I told you that this graph is going less and less up. Why? Because Bitcoin become heavy animal, more money. Okay, so it's not going into the same kind of speed as it was before. Okay, I talk about this and I can find this graph, but you get it, right? When the angle here is different now, it more low levels. Okay, so this was the bottom. This was the bottom. Now I am asking, where will be the middle top? And the middle top between the bottom and the first top, right? When we started bull market was 26 bars, 182 days, something like this, right? 190 days. So what I do, I take 26 bars from this bottom here, and what is the day? What is the day? It's 1st of May. 2023. Wait a moment. May 2023. Remember Litecoin? What I told you about Litecoin halving, right? And I told you Litecoin halving probably will go to $240. But which day I mentioned? Which day I mentioned? End of April. End of April. Beginning of May. So what is correlation? I think that Litecoin, due to halving, will start a bull market, okay? And this bull market, because of Litecoin will have halving, will trigger the first bull market in Bitcoin. You understand? Litecoin, trust me, as I say, 3 times I in this bull market, I knew Litecoin, when Litecoin start bull market, Bitcoin follow. It was not first time, it was not second time. We can watch chart. It's not a point of today conversation. Litecoin, very often start bull market. Very often, okay? And, everyone is following, success of Litecoin. And I think this will be no exception. When Litecoin will start his bull market, okay? And, someone in May and will reach above $200, I think Bitcoin can do the same bull market, okay? Based on all this what we see, based on 2017, how it was in 2017, and then we will have bull market. Now, let's look into prices, right? So what I'll do, I will take Fibonacci from top here, 120,000 somewhere, right? Yeah, let me take Fibonacci from top here to the bottom here. It was around 3,000, right? Okay, so this is the first Fibonacci, and I want to see, the magic number. I might want to see what is the magic number. 618, okay? 618. So let me try this horizontal line. 618. Voila! You see 618? Voila! You see? Bingo! This was 618. So let me do the same for Bitcoin, okay? Let me do the same for Bitcoin. Okay, this time. So I will take Fibonacci from this high to this low and see where I will get this magic number 618 and put here the line, the horizontal line, the 618. 618, right? It's very hard to see here, but I think it's here. Yep. 618. I think it's this one. Oh, sorry. Horizontal line, wide, here. Horizontal line, 618. Yeah. Okay. You know, let me mark it here. Maybe horizontal array. It'll be better. Yeah. Horizontal array. Okay. So I'm getting $40,000. Wow. Wow. Interesting, right? So I'm getting $40,000 for Bitcoin in the May of 2023. $40,000. But remember, this will be the first bull run, okay? And as we can see here, you see from the first bull run, it was going down pretty drastically, you see? It was going down almost to the, you know, it almost touched the bottom, right? Where we was here, okay? So we may go to $40,000 and then we may fall again to $20,000, right? Like me, write it, like if we had here. If Litecoin will start bull market, yeah, this halving, and then Bitcoin will follow, we may reach up to $40,000, and then we may fall again up to $20,000, right? And then in the end of the year, we may start a real bull market, okay? So this is my prediction based on, you know, what I see, you know, how we did it in 2017. And I think we will see very nice spark in April, May, okay, for entire crypto, okay? And the main reason will be Litecoin halving. Why? Because Litecoin is a big crypto, guys. I'm telling you, Litecoin becomes #1 in crypto community. It's like, he deserves it. He really deserves it. It's coming to top 10. I don't know where he is today. Don't looking into crypto, but you know, it may be 11. So Litecoin become one of the cryptos, okay? And you know, once you're in top 10, you know, everyone is looking on you, right? So if Litecoin will start to move, it will trigger the really move for entire crypto because of Litecoin halving. And we already see, you know, Litecoin $90 and the similar coins like Zcash and Dash half of this price, okay? It's very rare situation, guys. Usually they always go together. Litecoin, Zcash, Dash, they keep more or less, you know. Sometimes Zcash was in the top, sometimes Dash, you know, Litecoin follow. Because Litecoin has 84 million and Zcash and Dash has below 20 million. So they have 4 times less liquidity, okay? So it's very unusual when Litecoin increase price Litecoin twice. Usually they go, usually if you ask me, Zcash and Dash should be more pricey than Litecoin. But now it's not the case because we have Litecoin halving, so Litecoin is leading, right? And Litecoin probably will have 3 times more than Zcash and Dash, okay? Something for you to think, leveraging your, you know, overpriced Litecoin to underpriced Zcash and Dash, but this is another story. So what I try to say here, if Litecoin will do halving, if Litecoin will lead the charge and we reach above $200, we may see nice bull market in Bitcoin, and it's correlated with 2017, okay? April, May, I expect a very nice bull run in crypto, and Bitcoin can go as high as $40,000. Interesting time, right? So we may leverage this time if you want, if you're smart enough. We may leverage this time to profit from this, right? I mean, for me personally, if I'm doing leverages, I'm doing with very small percentage of my entire crypto, maybe 10-20%. I never do all in. The best way to do it is 33, 33, 33. Okay, guys, you was with me sharing with you one more interesting view on Litecoin, Bitcoin, you know, how Litecoin halving will affect entire crypto market. And if you like, subscribe, hit notification, and put your comments. All the best, guys. Bye bye and happy weekend.